Hey you guys, Coach Quita here, coming back to you for another payment proof video for the Cash Building System Unlimited by JD Marketing. So I have two more packages that I just received in the mail today, and I want to show payment proof that this system actually pays out. And I also want to give a shout out to my new members. So I want to give a shout out to Chrissy. I'm not going to say her last name, but she joined on phase 1 of the Cash Building Systems Unlimited, and I earned a $25 commission for her joining on phase 1. She also did upgrade, and I've already documented her upgrade as well. Over here, I want to give a shout out to Shamari, and I want to give a shout out to Patricia. They both came in on phase 1. Shamari upgraded to a higher commission level, and I just want to give a shout out to them as well. So you can see the payment proof for them joining on phase 1 with the Cash Building Systems Unlimited. So if you're looking for an easy way to make money from home, or an easy home-based business idea that you can run directly from home, considering joining our mailbox team with the Cash Building System Unlimited by JD Marketing. You can click the link above or below this video to get started.